Whenever you have marks on your wall that you can't clean, wipe away, simply grab these, paint over them. Hi, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. This is why you want to keep sample paint and a disposable applicator in your junk drawer, in your toolbox, wherever you want to keep it. So I keep mine in our junk drawer in the kitchen. I got my baseboards, doors, but I also have my living room, so I'm gonna grab that. And then I keep these disposable applicators because I don't want to have to rinse out a brush. I just simply throw them away. So starting off, what you want to do, terrible tear. Grab a paper towel, make sure you put it on one corner of the paper towel right there. Why one corner or one area? Because after you shake it up, open it, you want the other side here to place the cap. Let's get painting. Make sure you hold this with a good grip. Then you're just going to be dabbing in there, and we go across the room, cover up the marks. So I see a mark right here. Tried cleaning that up, still there. Here we go. Make sure it doesn't drip. And we are just lightly gonna cover all of that up. And you wanna feather it out so it just doesn't look like it's globbed on there. We're not painting the entire wall. If we were, I wouldn't be using these type of brushes, but these little applicators are good for just covering up marks. So you just wanna do like a cross pattern here. Make sure you don't take the paint off of the mark that you just covered up. There's another one right there. And that'll dry just like the rest of the wall. There's another mark here. See all that? Tried cleaning it. I don't know if that's a crusty booger for when I had my dog in the house. Voila! Nice. There's some marks here. Cover all of that up. This wall might need just entire paint. But for now, I can cover these up. Sometimes the indentions have shadows in it, so it looks like a mark, but it's not really. Okay, here's one on my stairwell. Removed some picture frames. I don't know if you can see it. That is all scraped on there. Just gonna continue. There we go. Let me pan out. See, I just do these light strokes. So if you take it off, dab it on there, but then kind of feather the rest. And as mentioned previously, the greatest thing, these are so cheap. Just throw them away. Go ahead, put the lid back on. Throw it back in your junk drawer or your toolbox. I keep them in my junk drawer. That's it. Quick and easy, and that allows you to have a nice refreshment afterwards. I'm Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Comment, like this video. Always appreciate a subscribe. Definitely appreciate you watching all the way through. And we'll see you on the next video. All right.